Hi my darlings, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be using okra, okay, as our treatment. All right, so I'm going to be using this on my hair and on my daughter's hair, but for today's video I'm doing this on my daughter's hair. If you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Here I create a lot of amazing ingredients. You're gonna love it to grow out your hair, your thin edges. If you are suffering from alopecia, you're suffering from hair loss, you want to grow your hair fuller and longer, and I have a lot of recipe. You can try it out. So right now I'm going to be cutting the okra because I want to do the gel. All right, so I'm going to be leaving the benefit of okra on the screen. You can do it to check it out. Like, okra has amazing benefits for hair growth. So this treatment I'm doing today is to detangle my daughter's hair. Okay, I wash my daughter's hair once in a week. Okay, same as I also wash my hair because she's going to school, so I have to wash her hair, prep it for school. So today is on a Saturday and I want to do a wash day routine. So first of all, I'm going to be using okra on her hair. So the okra gel is going to help me to detangle her hair, to treat her hair. She has a, what I call it, maybe 4B or 4A, 4B hair. Okay, her hair texture is different from mine. Mine is real 4C kinky hair. She has a different kind of hair. So I'm going to be using this okra gel to detangle her hair and bring it back to the coily texture it has. So right now I'm done cutting the okra and I'm going to boil it. Okay, I'm boiling it because she's a kid, so I don't want anything to happen to her scalp. So that is why I am boiling it. But I feel you can also use okra gel, do okra gel without boiling it by just soaking the okra, and it will bring out the gel. But because she's a child, I just need to blend it for the gel to come out. So I'm just adding a little bit of water, just the water that I know that is okay for the gel I need. So after this I'm going to boil it. I boiled this for 5 minutes, and when the gel was ready I will strain. So it's ready. I'm done straining it and it's a bit hot, so I'm going to allow this to cool, okay, before I use this on her hair so I don't hurt her scalp. So the next ingredient I'm going to be using is my hair growth oil. Okay, I have her own batch, she has her own batch, so I do hair growth oil for both of us, same ingredients, but mine I always put MSM inside, but hers I don't put MSM inside. So I'm going to be using this pure almond oil inside. Okay, is a lighter oil. All right, so I'm going to add this inside this recipe and I will mix everything together, mix it very well. So after this I am going to add another ingredient inside, which is Jamaica black castor oil. Okay, I added coconut oil as well inside. This is 100% pure coconut oil. Okay, I'm just adding more. First of all, I added lighter oil before I add Jamaica black castor oil. You know, Jamaica black castor oil is a bit thick, but it's going to help you to grow your hair. Definitely, like, your hair is really going to grow if you're using Jamaica black castor oil on your hair. So I'm just turning everything. I add one oil, I mix, I add one oil, I mix. So this is the one I'm using, this mango and lemon Jamaica black castor oil. Okay, this is the extra dark because this one is extra thick. Yeah, so I'm just going to put few drops of it to see how thick it is. Yeah, few drops of it, and I'm going to mix everything together. You can see on top there is still oils. One thing about water and oil, they don't really mix well. So you can see that there's still oils on top. So I just have to keep on mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing till I get the consistency I need. Then after this, I'll transfer it in my application bottle, which is this. I love this a lot because it makes things less messier. Yeah, so I'm gonna transfer this here, and I'll take you guys to application time. So here is my daughter's hair. She has been carrying these two braids like this throughout her school. So I'm going to lose it and use that treatment to treat her hair. Yeah, so her hair, as I said earlier on, it's not a 4C hair. Yeah, and she's just 3 years old. So I'm trying to use treatment on her hair. When she was a baby, she had like a bald spot at the back of her hair, and I've been using all this my DIY on her hair, and her hair has been doing amazing, has been growing. Like her hair has been growing. I think I have a video of her hair journey in my channel. You can do it to check it out. So she wants to help out, she wants to do it, she loves helping her. I told her she should wait, let me first of all apply it on your hair, then you can now start massaging, because anytime I want to wash her hair, she wants to wash her hair by herself. You know, kids now, they always want to help out, they always want to do things by themselves, not knowing that they are still small. You need to guide them. So what I'm doing right now is to squeeze that my application bottle has like a comb, so I'll squeeze it and be combing out her hair. Okay, it's a bit dripping. All right, so I'll squeeze it and comb out her hair, then massage everything in. That's what I have been doing on her hair. Yeah, so it's, oh my goodness, are you seeing her coils? Like her hair coils is just it's heavenly. So just one use alone and the coils has popped out. So this is what her hair looks like. So I'm just going to keep on adding and massaging and detangling as I go. And now she herself wants to do it by herself, so do her own video. So this is what her hair is looking like right now. See the coils? Like, are you seeing the coils, guys? Like, are you feeling it? You're feeling the coils, right? So this is going to help you to detangle your hair. It's going to help you to strengthen your hair. It's going to help you to grow your hair as well. So this is the other part of her hair that I have not detangled yet, and this part is the one that I just finished detangling, and the coils is giving. Okay, the coils is giving. Yeah, I hope you watched to this extent. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share a beautiful comment, like, see those coils. Are you saying it right? You're saying it right? Yeah, so after this I'm going to leave her hair to sit for 5 minutes, then she'll rinse it out, and I'll show you guys the end result of her hair after she has allowed this to sit for like 5 minutes. No, she's a child, so you just have to allow it to sit for 5 minutes and rinse out. So you can do this on your daughter's hair. Even if your daughter is a 4C hair, you can do it on their hair. It's a good detangler for natural hair and this kind of her own hair texture, because her hair texture is not 4C. Her hair texture is, I think it's 4A 4B. Yeah, because the coils, our coil pattern is different from my own coil pattern, if you get what I'm trying to say. So this is just me feeling the hair, making sure that no place is tangled, everywhere is, I've untangled everywhere. Then add more and then mix it well. Okay, I make sure that her hair absorbs everything inside it.
Mommy, get slimy as kata.
Slimy as kata.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
That's slimy.
Mia, move your hand. It's okay, I finished. Don't put again, I finish.
Jaga.
Don't worry, you will soon come and bath. That is what I'm doing for you now. You want to shower, okay? So this has to just stay maybe 10 minutes or 5 minutes on her hair because she's still a child. When you're a mother and you're a content creator, we definitely create another content creator. This is her doing it on her own phone. Thank God. So this is what is left. I'm gonna keep this for another wash day. Yeah. So my love, I'm done. I've washed her hair out. I only washed it and used condition, and that's it. So I rinse it out, I apply condition, and that's it. I only use oil, our hair growth oil on her hair, and that's it. I've never said put leave-in condition. It's when I want to style her hair, I'll add leave-in condition inside. So this is what her hair looks like. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, share a beautiful comment, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.